Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for crypto. I'm host Martin. This episode we're gonna be talking about Bitcoin in trouble. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions, leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links will be going out here shortly. I'm just gonna grab that real quick here and let's go. What's up, guys? How's it going? We're holding. Yay! Ain't that great? That's the only thing we can say for Bitcoin, right? It's like it's holding. It's good. It's trying to be there, man. We'll spin this here at the top of that chat. Here we go. Pinned. Jeff Lomez. What is up, my friend? Amay. This mouse. Andrew, yo. Really? I didn't even know you guys came up with a word. I haven't looked at the chat today, man. I had a busy day. So where did you guys come up with a word for this? When did you guys come up with a word for this? Or where? I don't think I've seen it, but how about holding for word of the night? Yes, I'm not sure. I don't even have a drink with me, but I gotta get one. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for being here. We'll have fun tonight. We'll see what's happening here with crypto, right? Let's move on to that main screen where the magical stuff happens. Oh, look, I became tiny. Right, so what is happening with crypto? Man, we're getting some bullish divergence, right? We held it at, we lost the $2 trillion mark, which kind of sucks because now we come back up, wicked, and we're rejecting it briefly. But we are holding on to this larger here support at that 50% retrace at 1.94 trillion, right? So it's not all lost. It's just we still have divergence here. What are we talking about? Divergence, yes, look. Negative momentum, less negative momentum, right? Lower low on the price. Again, strong bullish. We lost it against the RSI, and that's fine. So long as we can hold it against the MACD, that'll be okay. And again, potential for action to the upside, right? So I'm looking for a potential rally to come in here and save us. Right. So, anyways, we're trying to rally. We're sold at 31.19. And again, with that potential for action to the upside, hopefully we can start getting some relief. Is the weekend? Is it going to be a good weekend? I don't know yet, guys. It might be a slow weekend. We might get hell. Depends on how the bots behave, right? A lot of the volume that we get trading right now, it is from bots. So, you gotta watch out for that, right? You gotta watch out for that. So, there's something here that is through this piece of paper. I'll be there, I guess. So, let's keep rolling, right? Right on. Let's go to Bitcoin. First of all, price, right? Price. We're still, I just want to show this chart here. We're still more or less where we were targeted last night, right? So again, someone asked me to predict the price. We're close in target after a wild move down. Again, we came back to revisit. That's fine. We're still holding on to that support, and we're still creating bullish divergence strong. We're going to talk about that in a second. We're still on that area, right? It's not good. We have bullish divergence strong. We should be getting a rally at least to 40,996. Not getting there. Not good. Sold, oversold at 29.92, right? So we're coming down lower. Less negative momentum. We're lower on the RSI, so nothing bullish against the RSI, just against the MACD. Strong bullish divergence. It is still there. And again, even if we are saying, yeah, this gives what? We anchor from the highest point. So again, we can still re-anchor even to way back here. All right, so bullish divergence there. It's strong. And we're looking for that potential for action to the upside on Bitcoin. All right. Let's go over here to the chart, the original chart, the one we use on a daily basis, and then we'll adjust on the other charts and we'll draw and see what's happening. We came here to support. Look at that on the wick. We went all the way down here, man, to a fib retracement, which it's from like a long time ago, I guess, or 40,000 something we have. Or what is this? It seems to be like an old fib, so we're just gonna go and read it, and it's gonna be at 40,691 again. Bullish divergence strong, potential for action upside. We don't have it against the RSI, it's just against the MACD, right? So good stuff. Let's go to that 4-hour chart. So if we do bounce against our target at the 20 moving average and above there, 47,338, that is a very large move on this chart. That's why I like the other one. Yo, what do we have here? Again, we were looking for that bullish divergence in the 4-hour. We try to hold. Again, we're still developing it to here, and guess what? It still holds. Again, bullish divergence, strong potential for action to the upside, right? So we're trying to rally after we came back down to that support. Again, here we hit it beautifully. 40,626 again. Trying to bounce. We should be going for a 20 moving average at $43,516. Sold at 33.80. Again, about to get that cross of the MACD in the signal line. That could come with a nice rally. Hopefully breaking this downtrend that we're in right now. 1 hour chart. Look at this. We were looking for that divergence here. Guess what? We pull back up. So we still have divergence. It's still bullish. Yes, it's strong bullish divergence. So from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here, right? Now what's happening afterwards? We're still dropping even more. Slightly, but it's there. And we're still holding on to bullish divergence. Strong. So it's the second time we developed this. And I don't like it. The fact that we're still struggling with that 20 right now. It's showing weakness, right? We're sitting neutral at 45.07 again. Strong bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. We're below the 20. We failed to get above it. Here we pumped, hit the 20, rejected. Hit the 20, rejected. Therefore, we drop lower. Created bullish divergence strong. Trying to break the 20, failed. Break the 20, failed. Break the 20, failed. Jeez, how many fails are we going to get at this 20 moving average? We're just going to break it. That's it. Otherwise, it's not going to be good for crypto, right? And while we're trying to break it, guess what? We're creating hidden bullish divergence. That's going to put pressure on the price. And since the market is feeling bearish, it could be that the bears are in control. And this is part of the reason that we're failing to recover that 20, right? So hidden divergence, potential fraction downside, maybe sideways motion. Hopefully we move sideways and we don't break farther down. Let's go here to this chart, the one we were using yesterday. And again, this chart has missing data. That's why we're just going to use it sparingly, right? But again, that bullish divergence here is still there. We're still looking for that bullish divergence strong for potential action to the upside, right? So again, same move right there against the MACD and the RSI. So again, trying to break, failing at the 20, same story, very, very likely, right? So again, I'm not going to trust this chart a lot. It's missing data. You can see all the gaps back here, right? So again, not the best chart, but you know, we have hold support. We have held support at 40,997. Like we said, we tried to. Again, bullish divergence trying to hold, but we're failing to get above the 20 at some point in time. If we fail to get above that 20, we're definitely going to break below 40,997. So right now, looking for a potential moving up. And if we do get above that 20, we're looking for 42,996. That is our current target on an upside move. And to downside, 40,997, hoping it will hold. Otherwise, same targets that we had before, right? So we got Ethereum at 31,000. Sorry, 31,000. Jesus, don't you wish Ethereum was at 31,000? At 3,198. That's where we're at. Let's get on that daily, man. On the daily, what is happening? Oh, man, what a difference on crowd, right? Yesterday, a lot of people coming in, flocking because the market was dropping. Right now, everyone's like, oh, yeah, what's going to happen, man? It's all good. It's all good. We lost divergence here, man. No longer have it. I think yesterday we were like up to 75 people because everyone was panicking. It's like, oh, the market's dropped. Oversold at 28.94 again. With that, we should be looking for at least for some kind of recovery to happen. We are sitting at 3,197, so that means we're still above that $3,000 mark, even that 3,158. So there, if we break that area, we drew this line yesterday. We're very likely going to try to drop to at 2,891. It's not going to be pretty for Ethereum again. 4-hour chart. We're looking for the bullish divergence here in the short term. Guess what? We dropped it here. And magically, we're still holding on to that bullish divergence, I think. So we're going to zoom in here and see that we're still coming to less of that negative momentum. So again, we do have that divergence. I want to have to zoom in here as well. Do we have it here? Jeez, we have that strong bullish divergence. Just fell into play to the upside because Ethereum is just sucking. Try to pump last 4 hours, 2% again. Right now, I'm moving sideways, but at least above 3,158. We're going to see if it's going to hold. Again, I was not putting a lot of faith on that support. It seems that it's going to hold slightly. We'll see again. Bullish divergence strong. Potential for action. The upside need to get above 3,324. Then above there, we have the 20 moving average at 3,455. And then above there, we're going to have 3,539. We drop, again, support. 2,891, then 2,789, then 2,620. Those will be targets. Oversold at 29.30. Let's go to that 1 hour, man. On the 1 hour chart, what do we have? Yeah, bullish divergence strong. It's trying to hold. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful move here. Let's auto adjust here real quick. And let's get these two coming here and drop a line. And then we're going to say, yo, check this out. Bullish divergence strong. Again, there's a lot of bullish divergence in the market. It just needs to trigger, right? So why is this not working? Trying to get this to work, but you don't want to work. Here we go. All right, strong bullish, and strong bullish, right? There we are. Again, potential for action to the upside. So we are keeping up with the divergence, which is good. And it's just strong bullish, again, strong bullish. And we gotta get a break above our 20. We just can't. Bitcoin's putting pressure on the price. Kind of sucks, right? But it is what it is. It is what we have, right? What do you guys want to look at? Let me know in the chat. Yeah. Right. So, what else you guys want to look at? Let's go check out ADA, man. I mean, no requests in the chat. What? We usually have requests in the chat. Everything seems to have taken it wrong. Is ADA holding? He does a little bit on the positive, 0.25% the upside at $1.21. It's holding sideways. Great. Oh, look, we're trying to hold at $1.21. We're kind of losing that. But again, we're going to try to hold that, and it looks as though we're trying to go up here a bit. And we are dropping finally, creating more strong bullish divergence here in ADA. Jeez. Is it going to hold? I hope so. If it comes into play. Are we coming back down if we fulfill divergence and rally? No. We should be looking for a rally, man. So it just depends on how strong we rally, right? So again, potential action to the upside, we should be going for that 20 moving average or at $1.21, which they're both almost the same area. No, sorry, the 20 moving average at $1.34. So again, those are the moves to the upside. Dropping, we'll be aiming for $1.05, $1.07. Slacky, how are you, man? We hit your target yesterday. Or we hit the target that we called. I'm not sure you were here towards the end of the stream, but it was a spot on call, man. Low to high, negative plus, negative low, high neutral at 40.81. There's really not a lot here happening that is bullish. Unfortunately, we had this bullish divergence. We're still holding above that previous low, so we could say that we're trying to get continuation, but it's not strong. We rejected the 20, and if we pump here, we might reject the 20. It's going to depend on how the rest of the market behaves, basically, for ADA. Let's go to the 1 hour chart for the corn. Bearish divergence moving down again. Low to high, and low to high, and low to high. So there's nothing here that is bullish. Also nothing that is bearish. We're just getting sideways motion. Strong. Come on, ADA. You can do it. Yeah, you can do it all night long, ADA. Let's do it. By the way, just so you know, we're not messing around. Here's your target from yesterday. Right? Same area. You got it. I know. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. We're still at the same target, by the way. We're just getting sideways motion. Let's keep rolling, man. I just wasn't sure you weren't around because I did try to ping you or something, but let's keep checking those. Is anything pumping right now, dude? Let's just go do that, man. Let's see what's moving. Let's see what's moving, right? Last 24 hours. All right, so we're not gonna go check out ICP. We can check out Link. Link's doing okay. Let's go do Link. A lot of people like Link. Right, let's see how Link is behaving, man. The Link. Where's Link at? Here we go. Link at 26.30. On the daily. Again, we're getting a rally. Dude, Link is behaving awesome. $26.30. Yesterday pumped. 2.636. Today is trying to rally 1.23. Again, it seems to be unaffected by Bitcoin. Wow. What a surprise. Pleasant surprise. Oh, this is not the Link chart we'll look at. This is the Link chart. Yeah, so we had that divergence. We're popping on it. That's great. Now we are going higher. We're starting to create this bearish divergence. Stronger, sideways. All right, so we're going to say we're creating medium divergence. So if it just keeps on rallying, we're going to negate it, and that's going to be fine. That means everything's going to be going up. But for now, we're just going to go weak divergence, weak bearish. And we had the possibility for action to downside, right? So, bought at 65.60 again. Let's see. Elon, what's up, dude? High to low, positive, high to low. Low to high, negative, more negative. Ooh, low, lower. Jeez, that's it, dude. I'm gonna be reserved here on chain link, mainly because I don't like the way it looks. Right? There's a small break here. I'm not sure if I want to acknowledge it or not, but if we do, we have hidden divergence. If we don't acknowledge that break, then we don't have anything. So I'm gonna be reserved. It seems as though we try to rally. That's fine. Above $25.57. That's a good support to be above. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and see how things are here. Yeah, we did come back down to it and test it, so that's okay. I'd rather look for things here than try to hunt for something on the 4 hour. Right? So again, strong bullish. Against the MACD, right? And against the RSI, we'd say it's sideways, so we'd say it's weak divergence. But again, strong bullish against the MACD, weak bullish. Against the RSI, again, or pop again. Impulse up, consolidating. It looks as though we're just making a tight little flag here, or some kind of flag happening, right? On the shorter move again. You can see that, right? Pull. And then the flag comes like this, right? So, starting to flag here. Not bad. We'll see how it keeps on going. Now, we don't have anything bearish. Low to high, positive momentum, more positive momentum. Low on the RSI to higher point. High to low, positive is positive, and high to low. It's just doing okay right now. Just trying to get above a fib retracement. It's fell three times, actually. Hitting this area here, which is going to be our $27.11 mark. And that is going to be the 50% retrace, right? $27.10. So we are failing to get above that target. But again, with the flag that we're making, we could, in theory, try to rally again. That's going to be nice. 22. Let's keep rolling. So what else are we going to look at? All right. Let's go back to this here chart of awesomeness. And let's do... the one up 27% in the last couple days. All right. Some of this link was doing 32% in the last couple days. That's pretty good. All right, let's go to the top 200. So from 100 to 200, and we'll see what's moving and if there's anything worth checking out. Oh no, I clicked DeFi. 20 hours. Here we go. All right, 10% Kava. What? 7% Bico. Perpetual Protocol. OMG. What? OMG's at 102. Wasn't OMG like really good? It's 3% of the upside. Again, a lot of coins are struggling, right? A lot of pain in the market, but at least some are doing okay. Let's go back here, man. Let's go back to the... A lot of people like it. Oh, we're going to check out HNT. HNT tried. It's best to hold, but it's kind of, you know, being hurt. Not that. Right, so HNT, right? Again, look, bearish divergence breaking down below 20 and 0. We're going to try to recover. We don't have anything bullish right now. Neutral at 45.814. So again, with that, could be trying to rally. We could drop all the way down here to 1618 at $31.39. Right, so it's not bad. Again, tightness of the Bollinger Bands. We keep another explosive move to the upside, which would be really cool. Here again, we were looking for that bearish divergence, dropped, popped. After that, I don't think we had anything bearish. We just haven't been really tracking it. Now we're going higher. Now here coming lower, or in the short term, we're starting to develop this strong bullish divergence, just like everyone else. Ain't that great? Everyone's having this bullish divergence. There we go. Sold 35.24. With that, we should be looking for action to the upside. On that move, we should be targeting around $38.75, and then above there, 20 moving average, $39.23. So that's going to keep on shifting, but that's going to be a target. Nonetheless, right? The target, not the amount. I'm just saying where it's at, right? What do we have here? Again, we're going lower. And we're managing to hold. So good. Sold at 35.62. So again, try and hold. And we'll see how this is going to go for crypto. Again, it's been okay. Guys, if you enjoy the content, right? Hit the like, at the bell, and the sub. So many people in yesterday. Yesterday was pretty good though, right? I mean, it was pretty wild. I had fun yesterday. People scud because the market was dropping. I was like, chill. Be okay. Don't you worry, child. Crypto has a plan for you. Right? So 1 second, guys. One quick second. Right. So, what else do you guys want to look at? Give me coin. What projects are of interest to you guys? Let me know. I am intrigued. What should we look at? How you guys feeling tonight? How you guys feeling tonight after the drop that we had yesterday? Type 1 if you're feeling okay. Type 2 if you're feeling bad and you think the market is going to drop more. Let me know. Andrew says he's feeling, yeah. Good. So, what do you guys think? You think we're going to drop again? Type 1 if you think we're going to drop again. Type 2 if you think we're going to pump, right? 1 for drop, 2 for pump. Type it in the chat. Let me know. If you think Bitcoin is going to take an insane ride to the downside, then you type 1. If you think Bitcoin is going to go and rally and go to the upside, type 2. Scruggs says, feeling good. Cheap Ada. Yeah, a lot of people bought cheat Ada. Andrew actually got filled on Ada. So that should be okay. Right? First you get to the dump, and then you get to the pump. You sound like, yeah. I am a Mario. First you get to the dump, and then you get to the pump. Maybe. That's the way it's gonna go, right? We don't know yet. 1 second, guys. All right, cool. I had to get the wife to help me out. So, Slacky says one. All right, so Slacky thinks we're going to drop. And then Jason Ruff says, dipsticks. I had to get I asked the wife, yo, can you hook me up with a glass? And she did. And then I said, well, you're here. Can you hook me up with a whiskey? And she did. That's pretty awesome. I gotta put more whiskey in this. It's too little. Good whiskey. I like it. So, let's see how the market's going to treat us today, right? Jason, how's it going, man? Thanks for joining us. Jason, where are you from, man? Scrog says, ha! I knew I heard a cork. Scrog, you're from Scotland, right? At least I think I remember you said you were from Scotland. I might be wrong. SNL? Bodybuilders? I'm not sure who those are. Is there a Saturday Night Live bodybuilders? What? Coloradical? Colorado, I guess. Sure. You're a Coloradical person? That's pretty good, I guess. Handsome France. Right. Right on. Let's go back to Bitcoin, guys. Again, it's trying to hold. It's trying to do its thing. Everything is sideways right now, right? So, on the best case scenario, we get sideways motion, right? Scrot says, nah, Utah. But I love Scotch and Irish whiskey. This is not from the 90s. Okay, cool. Then who was it that used to come here? That used to be from Scotland. Used to have a guy who used to come here from Scotland. We have one of the most awesome crypto communities out there, guys. For reals. And because you're part of this such awesome crypto community, guys, to everyone here, I'll give you a round of applause. Right. So we'll see. There we go. Woo. Go, guys. Thank you for being here. And being awesome supporters of this here channel. Now let's keep rolling. And let's see what else we're going to do. Just post a reminder for you in Discord. I'm sure you'll remember. Oh, snap. Did I forget something? Oh, bro. No, I don't remember that. It's all good. Yeah, I just seen it, but I don't remember those. It's some dude's going like, pump you up or something like that. I'm not sure. Anyways, guys, today, it is a mellow day for crypto, right? It's just moving sideways. I'm not really expecting anything wild. So long as we stay above 40,000, right? We're in a range right now. And I think we are going to try to hold this range for the weekend, hopefully. Again, nothing in crypto is 100% certain. Nothing in trading is 100% certain. We just look at better shots or better alternatives as to where we could go, right? So I think right now we are going to be safe in this range. Come Monday, we could be looking at something a little bit different. But for now, at least, hopefully, we're going to be trying to get a rally and not lose 40K. Losing 40K is not going to be good. Losing 40K gets us to go further down. For says, sorry I'm late. It's all good, man. It's not like we take attendance here. For late. You get no worries, man. No worries. No attendance. Just get a little tiny X here next to your name, and we'll take the range away. I'm kidding. Whiskey Bethel. Whiskey water of life. Yeah, something. Yo. It's pretty good, guys. It's pretty good. All right, everyone here, cheers, guys. Hope you enjoy. Again, tonight's stream might be just short, right? Might be about an hour. There's not a lot of coin requests coming through. We're not really doing a lot. Range bottom 41 or 40. 40,997. So 41 if you want to say that, right, Keenan? So 41, we could say might be the bottom of the range. That's where I think we're going to be going. If we do drop below that 40K, man, the next target for support is going to be 39,291, right? So we don't want to go there. No, man, no spanking. None of that stuff. We're not weird. Cheers. I like when I draw the supports and resistances, I'm not looking too tight at the actual area. I'm looking for an area that is around somewhere that we've held, right? And part of the reason that I have that one there, that 40,000, I'm not even it's larger, so you can see why that one's there, is because, right, when we come back here, look, held support here. Here was kind of like a resistance briefly. Here was a resistance, right? Then here was a resistance on the move, right? So again, I'm looking for a ballpark area where we have rejected. Also here we rejected, right? So that's the reason why I'm saying that might be an area of resistance or support, right? But again, it should be close to that zone. Maybe 41, maybe 41,800 or 40,800. Just somewhere there that we're looking for support, right? Crypto gaming. Yo, Martin, I just got in the stream. Can you check out AI blah 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 metal coin? What? That's a lot of coins. All right, we're gonna start with Exia, I guess, and then we'll see how we go. I mean, that's good that we don't have any requests, but we'll do something for the rest. Oh, Axia. Sorry, I went to AGIX. Where's? Have we never looked at that? Wow, that's weird. I thought we had looked at that at some point. All right, cool. Well, first of all, that Axia is not here. IXC. All right. I guess it's just one coin. I thought there were many coins that you requested. I was like, what? Save some for the rest. All right, IXC on KuCoin. Oh, look, it's up 0.21%. What is this madness? What is this madness? Why is this pumping like all the time? How much is this? $5.49. All right, cool. No fibs because they're not gonna do us any good. We're just going higher. We're starting to create some bearish divergence, I think. Dude, I'm gonna have some in here. No, we're actually going higher. Don't bearish divergence. What is this madness? What is this coin, dude? Overbought at 94.06. I mean, it has to come back down. It's highly overbought. The market perceives its value as being much higher than what it should be. That's not good. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we're starting to develop at least something, and it's strong bearish divergence. And that could tell us that we might be looking for action to downside. I mean, geez, I'm not even sure why it would fib for this project. There's no fibs. It's fibless. It's the fibless. That should be a faction of crypto. The fibless. Projects that cannot be fibbed. Yo, bearish divergence strong again. With that potential fraction downside, we're going to go for that 20 moving average at $5.34. That's it. Below there, your guess is as good as mine. Maybe some support down here at $3.94. It's for the 1 hour. All right, short term. Look, high to low. Positive, high to low. Oh, shit, bearish divergence from back here, man. Don't miss it. All right, here we go. Bearish divergence strong. With that, the possibility for action to downside. I'm not even sure what project this is, but bro, on the risk scale, right? On the risk scale, this would be topping it. Why am I saying that? Because you never gotten pullback, right? This looks, and forgive me for drawing this weird example, but this looks like this. Watch out for a rug pull. That's all I'm gonna say. Because look at how this project started, right? Look at how it went. It was like sideways a bit, then to the upside. Then it just came back down to nothingness. So with this project here, right, we're looking at something similar. Taking a little bit longer though. But all we've seen is upwards motion, right? No pullback, no downwards motion, right? It's just sideways pump, upsloping consolidation, not even breaking down. We're just going higher. So, man, for this project, I will tell you, you have to be careful, right? Reason for that is, look, I'm going to go from low to high. And the only reason I'm doing this is in case we do start a retrace, right? And we reject this zone and we start a retrace, we're looking at least to $4.51. So that is a pretty drop, right? So we're looking at about 20% drop almost, 18% drop. All right, and then from there we're gonna drop down to here at 382, right? That's gonna be a 29% drop, and we could even drop to that 50% retrace at 38%. Then down here to 47%, right? That'll be at $2.87. Again, this price is just so high, so fast, has never pulled back down. I'll be worried about it, right? It's a KuCoin small cap. Yeah, I know. These projects are what people look for pumps and dumps, right? So I'll tell you, just be careful that you're not getting rug pulled. Again, it's your investment. You know what you do with it. For me, it's high risk. If you ask me, would you get into this? I would say no. Reason for that is this project has already gone and pumped too much. The chances of it doubling from where it's at right now are a lot less than it crashing, right? It's more likely it will crash than double. I mean, I could be wrong again. It's just a probability. But look, even if you would have bought here on October, right, you would have gotten a 342% rally, right? So now you think it's gonna go to double? Do you think it's gonna go to $10, or is it gonna crash first, right? From where it's at right now, I would be betting that it's probably likely gonna go down, even though it doesn't have anything bearish on the daily. You can keep on rallying for a bit, but it's gonna lose this strength, and it's just highly overbought. It's high risk. For me, it's not an in. It's not a product that would be interesting buying. I mean, yes, thanks for bringing it up. It's interesting, but for me, it's no. I would rather see something that is the opposite, somewhat, right? Not tanking endlessly, but you know, something that is just going down and looking for some kind of recovery or some kind of rally with some bullish divergence to get in a position open. This, again, doesn't have anything bearish. You can try to rally still, but like I said, I think this is more likely to go down than it is to pump. I know. So what else? Thanks for bringing this one up, guys. So here, $41,000 and 854. I started 41,839 now. Again, Bitcoin is trying to do something. It's just kind of struggling. Kind of sucks for Bitcoin. Really wish you get out of this slump. But again, that hit that verse is definitely putting pressure. So, could we drop still? Yeah, dude, we can still come down here, right? And it just depending on how we get there, there could or could not be divergence, right? And that is going to be a determining factor. Now, I do believe where we're at right now on the price, taking a quick drop would not be beneficial, because we could come down here real quick and make more negative momentum. Look at this negative momentum area. It's almost non-existent, right? So any large drop on Bitcoin is going to get us to where we make more negative momentum. So we're not going to have that bullish divergence against the MACD. We can, however, have it against the RSI, right? Look, we still have chance to pump a bit in a drop from Bitcoin. So I'm gonna say that the drops right now start to be a little bit more dangerous, right? Because losing divergence would not be good. It just means that we're gonna drop, and we don't have any divergence to look for a rally. We gotta drop subtle, right? And slowly create something. Cartha, go! What's up, my friend? Hey, man, I finished painting my mini thing. I'm not sure where I placed it. I placed it here. Yeah. I'm gonna send you pictures into Discord. This is my first one, so you know I'm not that good, but I think it came out okay. Let me see. Where is this thing? I'm gonna send this to Cardigo real quick. 1 second, guys, because he can send me pictures of his minis. So, and I'll show you guys my mini. Donkey Paradise. You think we're going to see a violent move? We're trying to get tightness of the Bollinger Bands, so maybe, but I'm not sure when we're going to get it yet. I think the weekend might be a little bit slow. Hopefully that's going to be the case. I'm not really good at painting these things, but let me see if I can show you guys here. I painted a miniature yesterday. I think it came out okay. Oh, that's too zoomed in. There we go. I'm not the best at these things. I just started, so yeah, I think it looks okay. Yeah, things to do when the market is not going well. Paint the miniature. Forget about the market. So I stopped looking at the market, right? Look, it has okay detail. I think I did okay for a first time painting. Hey, Martin, why would someone want to have a DeLorean? I'm not sure. I wouldn't want to change the path. I know, it's pretty good, man. Yeah. Carthigo paint's really good, man. He sent me some of the things he's painted before. I was like, wow, it's freaking awesome. I wish you could do that someday. But I'm just starting, so it's my first one, so I got ways to go. So I can drive it from time to time? All right. That's a dad joke, man. That is a dad joke. All right, yeah. It's okay, man. It's okay. Again, we're just chilling tonight. This is just a chill stream. Yesterday was when everything was going on. Look at this one. It's tiny also. But yeah, some okay stuff, right? Still gotta work on detailing and stuff like that, but good. If you had the money, you'll get a DeLorean. Why? It cannot even go up to 88. That was a whole joke, right? DeLorean going up to 88, it was impossible. It's been a decade since you painted, but lockdown's got time to kill. Big childlift roll. Yeah, dude, that's pretty good. Prepare for War has miniatures. That's pretty good. Swing trading makes me want a hobby like that. Yeah, dude, right? I mean, when the market's going down, you got to do something. Actually, I was painting basics today. I was painting the base. Not done yet. I'm still working on it. I just put like mud texture. You're not gonna be able to see it, but yeah, it's just mud texture, and then I'm gonna paint over it. So I'm waiting for it to dry, I guess, or cure. It's interesting though what you can do with these little things, right? It's fun. 88 miles per hour. Yeah, you know you can't go there, man. Cannot go to the future in a DeLorean. That's what they had to strap rockets to it or something. Not going up or down. There's too much time in your hand. I know. There's a little bit of time. I don't have a lot of time, but whatever little time I gotta keep my sanity, right? So that means I gotta look for things that occupy my mind that are not the market or my day-to-day job. I cannot just be sitting here doing crypto all the time. So that just turbo spray over. Try to spray paint a white undercoat over a black overcoat. Then you get a cenital base. Glaze base color so lower. Gonna drag on my. Still have Forge World stuff and even Armor Cast, 90s Warhammer. Ooh, that's pretty good. Yeah, I don't. I only have this, which happens to be a spray can of gray primer, right? I don't have any kind of airbrush or anything like that. I wasn't even sure if I was gonna like it. So yeah, it was kind of like one of those things that I'm gonna do it and then I'll see how it works. And if I like it, then I might buy more stuff. And then if I don't like it, I'm gonna leave it. So I did buy like a box. I did buy a box of I think it has like a starter set. It's not a big box, but you know, I think it has like 6 figures of one band and then 12 of the other band. You can play a small match, I guess. But that is just so I can see if I'm gonna like this as a hobby or not. I didn't want to go in and go crazy. I'm liking the painting aspect of it. It's certainly, you know, yeah. It's just I'm trying to see what I'm gonna do, and then I'm painting another one. I'm painting this one with different colors. So this one's gonna have white shoulder pads, I guess, and white shield. I'm trying to see what color I want to paint my army. So that one I paint it first. That's textbook. Then this one I'm gonna play around with it a bit and see how it works and see if I can make it work. Blockbound says, dude, I spent 2 hours just finally finishing all my streamer banners. Oh, that's pretty good, man. All you gotta watch now is a 30-minute off TA. It's pretty good. Yeah, I'm not sure how long we're gonna be here. Like 4 more minutes, I guess. Made $300 of TRX. Always our must. Yeah, Jorge, dude, I haven't seen you in a while. Feliz año, cabrón. I hope you're doing good. By the way, I said Happy New Year's, dude. Like, Cabron is almost like dude, I guess. No, even the Red Hot Chili Peppers had a song called Cabron, so it's good. We're doing good, man. We're doing good.
What's up?
You're going to sell them? What? Am I gonna sell what? Where am I from? I'm from Mexico. Am I gonna sell them? No, I'm gonna keep them, dude. These are like things I'm liking, so why am I gonna sell them? I'm enjoying painting these things. By the way, Yahoo paints and brusher from any art shop. Way cheaper than anything in Games Workshop. Canteen over here. That's pretty good. Yeah, dude, you know, I bought a pack that was a Warhammer paint pack that has like 6 Citadel paints in it and 2 miniatures. And then I bought the magazine so I could read it. And that magazine came with 2 miniatures. It came with one of these orc-looking dudes. And then I bought the small, like, the game that has, like, you know, the 2 small factions so I can, you know, see if I'm gonna like it. I did buy some Yahoo paints also. My daughter was playing with them. Yeah. Yahoo. Yeah. Got some. And I gotta see if I'm gonna be liking these things, right? So, that's why, and it's cheaper than Citadel. Yes, I know. And you can combine the colors and are better for other things. I know. I'm starting to get into it. I'm reading, but thank you very much for the advice, Carthigo. I appreciate it. For me, it's a starting point, I guess. I do a lot of tabletop gaming. I don't have time lately, and I don't do a lot because, you know, we're not seeing friends or anything like that. But whenever I see friends that we do play, I play tabletop games, and some of those games come with figurines, and I want to paint them. But I never done that before, so I was like, you know, where can I start? And then I was like, well, I could probably start with this, like, you know, miniatures from Game Workshop. There's a lot of tutorials online to learn, so it's pretty good. You have a 3D printer? No, I don't. Yeah, I know. Right. Why am I telling a 30-minute, 45-minute? I'm gonna only get the 30-minute. I don't go into. I rarely go below the hour, right? So except when we're like messing around or looking at something. But I'll look at the half hour for you, my friend. Bullish Divergence Strong. That's the first move that I'm tracking. Oh snaps, not here. Let's get rid of it. I need to get better paint brushes. That's what I need to do, Carthigo. I need to get better paintbrushes. The ones I have, I only have the starter one, and I bought 2 more, and they're not the best. They're okay. Again, bullish divergence. So we're looking for action to outlet here in a half hour as well. We just failing to get it, and here we don't seem to have that hidden divergence. We might be developing it here in the short term, and that could be putting pressure also in the half hour chart. And low to high here, and then high to low, right? So. Interesting. Some hidden divergence. We're starting to get that sideways motion. Ender says, that means my Ender 5 Pro. I'm not sure what an Ender 5 Pro is. War says, I love D&D. I still have your request. I haven't played D&D since university, but yeah, it's pretty fun. Roommate bought me half of it when he moved out. What is an Ender 5 Pro? I'm curious now. Jesus. It has to be some kinky, weird stuff Andrew likes. Oh, it's a 3D printer. Oh, cool. Can you check out Spy? Yes, we can. Yeah, we're gonna check out Spy. It's just a fun day. I'm just chilling. We're just chilling. We've looked at it before. Oh, S&P 500. I just have it as SPX. That's why I couldn't find it. Here we go. I was like Spy. Producing one for the price. All right, that's pretty cool. I never got into 3D printing. Mainly because I don't have a printer. I'm not sure how good they are right now. I know there's some that are super expensive, like $7,000, $8,000. I'm not gonna buy anything like that. And then there's so much stuff regarding filament and what you gotta put in to get the printing, and then how it takes forever, and then you have to put like support, then you have to clip. I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure if I really want to get into, like, you know, taking forever. I think it's a good technology, but it's too early in its stages. I think it's going to get better with time. And once that happens, then yes, I might be looking to get into 3D printing. But for now, it's just, I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure if I want to have that. Then, you know, electricity power goes out. You're in the middle of printing. You're like screwed, I guess. I'm not sure how that works. But if you want to print 3D models and then send them to me, I can paint them. And that works, I guess. I'll try to paint them. Anyways, S&P 500, let's go on the daily. Oh, look, it's dropping. It's below the 20. Why? Because there's bearish divergence, of course, right? Look at this. It's a pumping. Oh, no, we're coming down. We're going to burn. Oh, yeah, we're highly overbought. Oh, we had bearish divergence. Strong. Potential fraction of downside. We're not highly overbought. We're actually sitting bought. And with strong bearish divergence, again, potential fraction downside. Going down, breaking below the 20. Nothing bullish right now. So we're going to wait and see. S&P did go down today for around 0.4 and 4.4%. Then 2 days ago, 1.94. So, yeah. Hey, what does open interest on Bitcoin look like right now? I'm not sure, man. But yeah, there's definitely a learning curve. All right, yeah, I get it. I never checked open interest on Bitcoin. I'm not sure even where to look for that, man. The futures you want to look at? I'm not sure if that's what you want to look at, but the volume and open interest. I usually just look at the futures, but not open interest. Yeah, it's just drawn as a line. Yeah, I'm not sure, man. I never looked at open interest for Bitcoin. I found it on the CME group. But usually when I look at Bitcoin futures, I just go here and be like, yo, Bitcoin futures, what up? And then it's like here, oh, look, we're going down. Oh, no. Oh, guys, by the way, it looks as though we could try to recover this gap here that we have left, right? And that's under 30Ks. We haven't looked at this in a while, right? We haven't looked at this in a while. Word, yeah. Charlie, that's interesting. Yo, so why did these guys come in here and start like spamming weird links, guys? There you go. Anyways, yeah, dude. That's pretty good, Andrew. Dude, you gotta, yeah, but filming I think is also expensive for 3D printer. Well, man, thank you very much for catching me, dude. And I'll see you again later, I guess. Thanks for being here. I just look at here, and we haven't looked at this. We had this gap, and we had the question which gap we were gonna fill first. The one up here, the one down here, and we went for that upper one. That was pretty good. We could drop and fill this gap, right? That would be a nasty drop to 29,000s almost. Oh, that's not gonna be pretty. But we gotta recover the gap. Right? We haven't. Now we also left a gap here to the upside, so not all is lost, right? We have a gap here that we haven't recovered. Right, in the gap, we could say to some extent that maybe the wick, if you want to say that the wick recovered part of that, that would be fine. But I think we still have this gap here open, and we have not filled it. So there's a gap here that must be filled for Bitcoin, right? So we're gonna leave it, I guess, off this side. And, well, no, it's a gap. So this gap needs to be filled, and this gap needs to be filled. So gap 2 that we had a while back still needs to be filled. Yeah, I know. That's crazy, right? Yeah, that would be interesting, Andrew. I'm not sure. Do you have to sand them? Because I've seen some of them get ridges and these like Newtonian rings, I guess they're called. I'm not even sure what they're called. But when you print them, if they have certain ridges, you look at them, they look like they have this like rings around them. It looks interesting though, but yeah, I mean, yeah, we can check out Linky on the week. Linky on the weekly. Where's Link going? That's a pretty good question. The people want to know where the link is going. All right, link at $26.33 on the weekly. What is it doing? All right, it has this bullish divergence, right? Hidden. So it's pumping at that. It's hitting that 20 moving average on the weekly, which is not bad. It's just to get above it. Other than that, it's looking okay, right? I'm not sure why you want me to look at it here, but here we are, man. Here we are, man. It's doing okay. It's doing okay. All this stuff here, it's nonsense that I forgot to anchor to just a daily, so it shows in the weekly, right? And it's from like freaking 2021. February, man, I gotta go back and start deleting a lot of stuff from my charts, right? From like January until now, I guess. So I have very, very dirty charts with a lot of data. So. I haven't looked at dollar index, right? And put it in a box. Oh, that's interesting, Andrew. I didn't know that. Is that like how you cure it? All right, cool. So look at the Dixie, and then we'll probably see what else we do, right? On the daily, it's a dropping. Oh, look at it. It's rejecting the 20. Why am I speaking like Marvin the Martian? We're not doing a lot here on the daily. Let's go on the weekly again. We're starting to move down after this insane curvature we had on the double bottom again. Measure move more than hit. And we had that bearish divergence putting pressure on the price. Now we're starting to see it drop a bit. So yeah, we'll see. Nothing bullish there. Spot at 62.46. Dollar index. That's it. Back to the corn. Guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Yeah, there's really not a lot happening right now. So we're gonna keep it simple. All right, we're gonna keep it short and simple. Thanks for watching again. If you enjoyed the content, make sure you hit the like, you hit the bell, you hit the sub. Talk about crypto to your friends, your family, and your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is So Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight for this awesome stream. Catch you guys again tomorrow for another edition of So Crypto. Until then. Oh, yeah. Educational entertainment purposes. Don't trade based on what you see here. Just discussing ideas. I think we already said that. Talk about crypto to your friends, your family, and your coworkers. Yeah, until then.